Hi student. Today I would like to tell you about Architecture 122, Architecture Delineation. It will be open on spring 2021. That means on next year, January. This class has 2 units and it have no quiz, no midterm, no final. It have only 10 assignments, and it usually every week you have 1 assignment you need to finish and submit for me to get the grade. That's it. No final, no midterm, no quiz. So you can enjoy the class, sketch, drawing. Everything you do is draw on the paper. And basically you can have portfolio, that means the sketchbook, the big one, and you draw on of assignment. You can stay in there and save for later if you got the interview. It can be very helpful for you do for the portfolio. So we have 10 assignments, so that's why each of them you need to draw by pencil on the paper. And the paper, when we have the class on face-to-face, you can take the paper in the lab. It's whatever you like, the size, the big or the small one. But because right now online class, so that's why I think that you need to use for your paper at home and try to do for fix with the scale. I will teach you how to draw that, and after that you practice at home, take the picture and email to me to get the grade. For example, I will have you how to sketch this one when we start, and how do you sketch all of them, and many assignment in there. I think I have 10 for total, so I can show you how to do. For example, this one, you look at the floor plan and I show you how to draw 1-point perspective for this one, or I have you to draw for the floor plan and elevation from this one. This is elevation. Of course we have the floor and how you project to draw the elevation. You also try to draw the material texture in here. This is the floor plan. I show you how to measure. This is the distance to measure the floor plan and to draw the elevation from this one. This is 2-point perspective. For example, this is the building. You look on the top from the bird view, look from the top to the down, and you can see this is the bench. You can see this is the bench. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bench, and you can see here this is the low wall behind of them. So I will have you how to draw the 2-point perspective when you stay very far from the object right here, and I show you how to draw this one on elevation. You see the seat right here is the seat right here, and the light right here, that's right there. After that you see the wall in the back side here. This is here, that's the back side wall. Okay, 2-point perspective. This is 1 and this is 2. So basically the project like that you need to see on this side and this side for home project like this. This is the people, one standing, one sitting to talk together. So basically I will show you how to draw 2-point perspective, 1-point perspective, isometric, floor plan, elevation, texture, and some of this is one view perspective. You stay right here and you look on the building, go to the end. The sketch one, of course we have 10 problem. We will have one more. This is for shadow, but I will show with you later during the course. This is the sketch one. I teach you how to draw from start until the end. And after that we have the floor plan right here. You need to draw the floor plan, and after that I show you how to project this one to draw elevation, 2 level. For example, this says stair right here, stair right here. On this side is right here, and in the center right here we have this one, 2 level. So that's why I show you how to draw that. I also show you how to draw the projects on one point perspective from here to draw up like this. And the texture, this is the shadow, this is example from the building. Look at the floor plan, and this is elevation, how you draw the shadow on here. From each of them, the shape is different, but I will show you how to draw that. Okay. This is the part from the floor plan, and this is the part from look at the elevation. You need to draw the roof line, the elevation for each of them, and the missing one. This one is the elevation from this one. You look at the curve right here, the door right here in front, and after that the storefront right here with the skyline. So you can see elevation is the skyline, and the brown on the staircase, and this is the front half of the house. This is the door. The door is hidden because you look at the view on the top down. This is the section cut from this one. If you cut from here to here 4 feet and you cut that one, and you can see this one. The second part you take off and you put it there. This is the door, this is the glass window, and this is the curve or the wider stair. Okay, so another one, this is the floor plan. So you can see the floor plan, you have many steps up. This is the column or the post. So basically when you look elevation, you see like this, the post right here, and this is the step up right there. After that, the building, this is the building. You see this wall right here, it is one. And after that, the small roof, it is one, and the higher one, it is one. So basically from the floor plan, I show you how to draw the elevation. This one of elevation, and the other one is this side. You stay here, look at that. Okay. Okay, so this is 2-point perspective like I told you before. This is the bench, and after that we have 1, 2, 3 seat on this side, 1, 2 this side. This is the table. So basically the seat look like this, the bench look like this, 1, 2, 3, and after that the wall, and after that 2 more right here. And you see the line right here, double line right here. This is the low wall behind the booth one, and this is the low. For example, you see this one, you stay here, you see this part, this is this part, and after that you see whole thing here on the side is his side, and this is vanishing point left, so everything should be go there when you draw. Okay, second one, same thing. This is another point, so this we call that 2-point perspective, and same thing with this one. This is another shape, but you can see this elevation when it's finished on of the structure first. And this one is Isometrics House, and if you stay here you can see the door right here. After that, if you look at the side, for example, you stay here, you look at this side, and this you look like this. And if you look at elevation, it's like this, the small one, the big one, and the ceiling. So like this. Okay, so this is the roof line. You see the arrow, this is the slab roof, and this is the ridge bore, and you can see the slab right here. After that, we have another roof, a slab, more slab. So you can show like this, and one of them is right here is the water run out. That's mean you can see the roof one is the slab like this, slab like this. Okay, so this is elevation. If you see the part right here, you see the part right here, and this is, you see that's it is the gap outside. This is the gap outside from the house, the gap outside here. And they see on the left one, that's mean this one. So basically right now we have 2 arrows from set up the roof one, but you can see that's on elevation, and you know what is it. Okay, this is the one corner. If you look at this side, you can see this one. Okay, so I think that's it, and this is the projects. In the final, you can draw preliminary on many projects on different direction, and after that you show with me like a presentation. Okay, so that's it for today, and hope that you can do very good on the quiz on Thanksgiving, and see you next time.